Hey, what's up guys? John here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Burger Motorsports upgraded cals. So anyway, just in case you're wanting to clean up your engine bay a little bit. Today I just received my, I just got my package delivery, and as you can see, I'm currently working on my car. I ordered some inlets and outlets and blow-off valves and several other little things just to do, and I'm in the process of removing some stuff. As you can see down there, I got some stuff removed already. But anyway, I just got these, so I figured I'll show you the unboxing and how to install them pretty quickly. That way, if you guys order something like this, it helps clean up the look of the engine bay a bit. Kind of unbox them with one hand. So I'll throw that away in a bit. And anyway, like I said, these are the upgraded cals from Burger Motorsports. And this is what they look like. Very nice and clean. I'll get a close-up shot here. So it says Burger Motorsports on there. Now to install these is pretty simple. All you got to do is just put them in that section where they belong. Oops, camera's over here. And they do go in a specific way. If you look at them, the actual size is bigger on one side and it's more narrow on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if it doesn't fit this way, all you got to do is flip it this way, and it's very simple. So installing them here, this is where they go. So this side actually is more narrow, this side's wider. So I got to put them this way, and it just sits in just like that. And these are very simple to install. It also, I mean, as far as improvement, if anything, you're going to get more engine sound. So if you got that blow-off valve, like I'm going to have pretty soon, it gives you more of that blow-off valve sound inside your cab. So that way you can hear your shifts and, you know, the performance, how your engine's actually idling and whatnot. And that's what it looks like installed. It's a nice snug fit. So even if you didn't put screws, which obviously I am going to, even if you didn't, it's pretty secure without it, because it fits in really nice and snug. And it gives it an overall better look. I don't have to have this big plastic cowling housing here that goes over. Gives it more of the M style engine bay look, and it's pretty clean. I got the parts over here. You don't have to deal with this big thing. I think I'm gonna customize this. I'm gonna probably just cut that and put it on so I can still have the edges, but so that way it covers this section here and then just goes over. But anyway, just thought I'd show you that. I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so here's the other one, and like I was mentioning, it's a little more narrow on this side than it is on this side, just very slightly. And you can tell it's more narrow in this opening than on this side. So it goes just this way. And like I said, the wording is on both sides, so if it's for one side or the other. The best way to put these on, from what it seems like here, is it's got this little lip right here. on both sides. Is just putting in one side here, and then make the other side fit in, and then you just start pushing it in as you work your way back this way, instead of just putting it all in at the same time. You start in one corner and work your way this way, and it'll work pretty smoothly. Fits just like a nice glove. Once you're at the very end, put the back in first, and ta-da! Very simple DIY. These things are pretty cheap through Burger Motorsports. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video on how to install do some DIY cals, customized cals. And if you enjoyed that video, give it a like and subscribe. I'm gonna have some more videos coming up, and that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys.